How's everyone doing on this very chilly Thursday? Right now, I'm going to be showing you this 2015 Acura TLX. Kind of looks black, but it's not black. It's actually like a brownish, kind of maroon color. I'll put the exact color on the posting. So yeah, this is a very, very nice car. This is the 6-cylinder. Nice and powerful. Brand new tires. Wait till you see the interior of this baby. Flawless. Baby's in mint conditions. Come on, let me just yeah, check out those tires, man. What can I tell you? Okay, 1 second. So here we go. The Acura TLX, 52,000 miles. Check out that front. Those headlights. Killer with these Acuras. Check out this interior. So kind of in a way, the interior kind of matches the outside, but maybe you can get a kind of look at the color right there, but it's not black. The car's not black. It's almost like hey, I can't even call it. I'm gonna have to look up this color, but it's really nice. It's really nice. You got the digital shifter right there, which is awesome. Sunroof, obviously. Six-cylinder. Come check her out. I got a super duper price on her. BuyRightAutoCenter.com. Peace and love.